Have you ever wondered why setting goals can be so pivotal in shaping the journey of life? Welcome to our enlightening discourse on the significance of goal setting and the art of accomplishing them through incremental steps. The story begins with the act of setting goals. Setting clear and concise goals not only provides us with a direction, but it also stokes the fires of intrinsic motivation. The size of the goal does not matter. Whether it's deciding to read a book a month or aiming to run a marathon, the first step towards success is having a goal. Now, imagine you are on a journey. Every step you take is a step closer to your destination. But in between these steps, there are countless moments of triumph, no matter how small. These are the small victories that we must celebrate. Every time you finish a chapter, every time you run a mile, it's a small victory. It boosts morale and makes the journey enjoyable. It's about learning to appreciate every moment of success. Finally, the art of perseverance comes into play. Sticking to the task at hand, even in the face of adversity, is the key to success. It's about not giving up, not admitting defeat. It's about completing the journey you've started. In conclusion, setting goals provides direction and motivation. Celebrating small victories along the way uplifts spirits and makes the journey enjoyable. And persevering, even when the going gets tough, paves the way to success. The beauty of life lies in setting goals, celebrating small victories, and persevering till the end. So why not start setting your goals today?